Hello. Today, we will learn about the phrase, get somebody up something. This phrase means helping someone climb or reach a higher place. For example, you might help a friend get up a ladder, or you could help someone get up a hill. You can also use it to talk about helping someone reach a higher position at work. The structure is simple. Get somebody up something. For example, I got him up the tree. Make sure to put the person right after get. You can use it in many situations, both physical and figurative. It is different from help somebody up, which means helping someone stand up. Try using it in sentences like, she got her brother up the stairs, or they got her up the career ladder. Remember, practice makes perfect. Now try making your own sentence with get somebody up something. Thanks for watching and keep learning English. See you next time.